Today's subject, continuing professional development, continuing professional education and training. Hi, I'm Jeff Banks, the founder of Banks Consultancy, Not Your Ordinary Accountants, and these are our tidbits of the day. And today's subject is training. Now, for accountants, we have to do a certain amount of what's called CPD, continuing professional development, or CPE, continuing professional education, in order to maintain not only our tax agent's licence, but our professional accounting standards and our professional association requirements. For us, for tax, it means that we have to do 30 hours every year on something to do with taxation. Now, as anyone who's read my blogs will know that at Banks Consultancy we subscribe to the notion of CANI, constant and never-ending improvement. Now, some of that is statutorily lumped upon us. And having to do CPD or CPE hours, as they are noted, under either of the professional associations, is not easy, but it's a level that we can attune to. Now, at Banks Consultancy, we do lots more of that. We spend staff meetings with specific staff training involved. We do all sorts of other CPD and CPE, as well as the information that we have to do statutorily with things like tax department webinars, CPE webinars, and all sorts of other things to make sure that we are at the top of our game at all times. Now, the question is, are you doing the same thing? Now, if you do not invest in your business through things like training, making sure you're abreast of all the sorts of things that you need to be up and about for, then are you falling behind your competitors? That's a question that I put to all of you, and that if you want to talk about any of this sort of things, you can contact us here at Banks Consultancy. Now, as Banks Consultancy, we run the tagline of Not Your Ordinary Accountants. We see ourselves as a partner in your business, bringing up those sorts of subjects, bringing up those sorts of questions that maybe as a sole trader or a small business person or even a larger business person that you want to bounce ideas off but you are too afraid to ask. Well, here's one that we're asking you. Are you keeping yourself up to date? Come and talk to me. We'll talk about the sorts of training that you could possibly be doing, even if it's not specifically to do with your business. Maybe it's to do with marketing. Maybe it's to do with other things altogether. But we're here to help. I have trained consultants on hand who can help you through all this sort of stuff. I'm Jeff Banks. I'm the founder of Banks Consultancy, and we are Not Your Ordinary Accountants.